Got a big order of kits now. I've actually got the kit to the box in my mitts. Um oh MT Ertl 25th Volvo conventional. A Slingman E-Morg fire truck. Couple big mass kits, close to like BMW M3. A Heller 16 Citroen DTS. It's a bit of dog of a kit. Bad habit. Porsche 911 Spider. Porsche Panamera. So I've got a duplicate of that there. Dodge Viper, always used for spares. Corvette C5R, which could be interesting. Jeep Poncho, Ford Bronco, Challenger SRT, Chip Boost, and a Ford F100. Also in the box is about 31 cans of paint. I've had some thieving bastards around here, so I decided that what I'll do, put a big order in a big box. The bastard can't fucking see that. So I've got everything safe in my room now, in the living room. Here's a Volvo. According to the blurb, it's got metal chassis and metal axles. So that's from the 1970s. The funny thing is that we have very few European conventional trucks over here. Just cab overs. I saw this and thought, oh, I gotta have that. Here's something slightly different. It's a Roman coin. So it's approximately 2,000 years old. Bloody small. No wonder I kept losing it. Oh. The outside. So something a bit different. These are the Kevlar impregnated globes. Anti-cut. You see marks, but didn't actually cut through. So it helped save me fingers. Only £4. Made in China, surprise, surprise. That's what I know is pretty rare over here Tamiya kit. The box dates to 1989. I don't think it's been released yet since. I know the XR4 basically what it is. The marketing sites as I think a Mercury. All the changes didn't have the decent engine. Front engine, rear wheel drive. One of my friend's dad used to have an XR4, and it was considered a rocket at the time, by European standards. It was a great car, black. Beautiful it was. Car was actually mint. I've had this kit for quite a few years now. About 3 or 4. Curbside, naturally. Very, very nice. That's what I will say. Oh well, doesn't really matter.